I'm going to show you how to create a free audio spectrum in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Locate the audio piece that you would like to make into an audio waveform or a spectrum. And next step is to click down on the fourth option right here until you see the new item icon in Adobe Premiere Pro. Click on New Adjustment Layer and then click on OK. Drag the adjustment layer on top of the music or audio piece. Then now you want to highlight both the adjustment layer and the audio. And now as you can see, if you right click, click on the option above, Replace with Clip, Replace with After Effects, Composition. And then now once Adobe After Effects has been opened up and loaded, click on your adjustment layer, then go under to the top left-hand screen and then click on Layer, New, click on the second option, Solid. And in this case, don't worry about anything, just click on OK. And now you want to scroll down and click on your music or your audio piece. The next step is to now click on your dark gray solid. Once it has been selected or highlighted, now go underneath to the top left-hand screen and click on Effect. Scroll down until you see Generate, and then click on the third option right here, which says Audio Spectrum, which is above Audio Waveform. And once opened up and loaded, you want to go underneath this tab underneath Effects Control or the audio layer. Click the drop-down arrow and click on your music or your audio piece for the free spectrum.